So most arts and crafts stores will have Dacron. We'll have a piece of what we call bonded Dacron. Make sure it's not the loose Dacron, but bonded Dacron. This is about an inch thick, and you can go to the store, buy a yard or two of it for, well, this one here I'd say 2 yards, and you're going to wrap each cushion. So what you're going to do is you're going to put the Dacron down like so. This is a quick fix also, folks. Professionally, this isn't exactly how I do it. I use muslin covers, and we get into more custom cushions too, more expensive cushioning like spring and down cushions, which the homeowner is not going to be able to do that. But I'm showing you the quick, easy way of doing it. So all you upholsterers watching out there, I don't want to hear from you saying, look what he's doing. No, this is for the homeowner. The homeowner to make an attractive cushion that will last longer than just having foam. So what we're going to do is place the cushion like so. I've trimmed up the Dacron. You can use your hands to trim it up. The Dacron actually clings to the foam, so that's cool. You don't have to use any glues or anything. And then you flip it over like so. And what I did was I just trimmed up along here. Okay, you can trim this. Okay, now what you want to do is take your cover. Have your cover ready. Okay, it's open. Your zipper would be open. And you fold the fabric, you fold the foam in half with the Dacron like so. Okay, now I'm going to move this way just to show you because I'm right-handed. I'm going to try to insert this as far inside of the cushion as I can. Insert. And I let it go. And then we push it in one side, push it in the other side. And then I'm going to grab hold of the T part of the cushion and kind of work it in. And the same thing on this side. Now flip it and do the same thing on the other side. You actually have to try to visualize what's inside and then feel it. What's going on here? You're taking the Dacron and you're smoothing the Dacron out also, pushing it to the corner. And then I'm going to give this a little push here. And kind of come over here and give this a little push here. And then I'm going to just take my piping, the excess piping, the excess on the piping, and put the salvage or the excess down onto the boxing. Watch the difference. I don't know if you could see this subtle difference. See that? See this subtle difference? See that? That's how you want it. I'm going to do that all the way around the top. Flip it over. Do it all the way around the bottom. Notice how I'm in position here. That's important. You can't be doing this on the floor. You need to be like right there. You need to get the proper position, right? And then I'm going to pull this in. This would be zippered, so you're going to push, and then 99% of the times it's a zipper, and you just zipper it up and you're done. I'll hand stitch this later, but look at that. Now I wonder if anybody could tell the difference between that one and the all foam one. I think it looks a little better, don't you? So I hope moving forward, that's why I'm here. I want to try to save you folks a lot of money, and please, what encourages me is subscribing. Please, I'm looking for subscriptions. I'll beg you. We're looking for as many as we can get. If you liked and I saved you money, subscribe. Thanks a lot. I'll see you next time.